our ability to do that. But ultimately, when we are going for the net profit, it is being shared by various unwanted things. Ultimately, we are put in a very bad light. And being officers, the response or performance directly comes to on our head. I am having another strong feeling that being the officer, we are part of the management, and at branch level, you are the management, and you are only doing the job. So necessarily, good or bad, we should be ready to own that responsibility too. So keeping that in mind, when we are having such a great potential, why we should not increase and improve our profit level and consolidating all our strength and all. And we proved also once. Because I gained the courage to give a call to reach 10,000 crores net profit because in 2013 January our bank's figure was only 5.45 lakh crores, and that was the time that our bank has given a call. And the association also has taken it as a challenge. Of course, we were getting so many benefits from the bank, that is for parallelly, but at the same time, so many young boys and girls, they were joining the bank. A big challenge was thrown to them. We had to open 2,500 branches and young boys to go to various places to head the branches without experience, and CBS with connectivity, all these problems, but still, we took this job given to us very seriously. In these 2.5 years, we were able to take our banks to from 5.45 lakh crores to 8 lakh crores plus. We were able to do that. And from the 4,300 branches, we neared 6,000 branches. It means we have got the potential. Our CBOA idea is that why we cannot channelize or giving a realistic target to our boys so that consistently, consolidately they will be working and we will be able to reach the target. It is very easy if you are going in the same way what we are doing now. Perhaps they reaching this 10 lakh crores business, 10,000 branches and 10,000 crores profit and even 1 lakh officers and employees is not a big deal for the Canara Bank officers. Today the energy we have seen, we are trying only to the consolidate and channelize it. We will be there. That is why we named it, and as an organization we named it a bit in a way to understand also. Thus we can, all the tents we did that. So this side we told that thus we can. It is well understood our people and they are working towards that.
Yes, sir.
To shock and to shock the whole gallery. Come on.
ಇದು ಆಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yeah! You know she like the drama. Yeah, she dance, everybody go. You know she like the drama. Yeah, she a sexy mama. And when she dance, everybody go.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a big hand to Jahnavi.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Ladies and gentlemen, हमारे तो तन डोल गया, मन डोल गया. कैनरा बैंक इस ऑडिटोरियम के सारे दीवारें हिल गए. And give her a big hand. ಯಾರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ವ ಅವರ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಯಾವುದೋ ಉಳಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ she is a student of final year BDS. Next year she will be a dental doctor Janaki. ಯಾರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ 32 ಹಲ್ಲು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. And one more thing, when it comes to teeth, I have to remind you one, lunch is ready, your food is ready. Please make yourself comfortable to go to the lunch venue and please have your delicious lunch here and be back soon. आप लोग खाना खाते रहिए, हम लोग यहाँ नाच गाना गाते रहेंगे. Thank you.
Fusion dance.
Fusion. Function will be continuing. And one thing, respected officers, please maintain some discipline and go one by one, maintain the queue system and please batch by batch hodre and we can have food process very smoothly and even our function will also go in a proper manner. Now we will have Ravi, Kiran and his team with fusion dance of all the South Indian language including Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood, Sandalwood and also Mallywood, that is Kerala film industry.
This is a fusion dance by Kiran and group. Don't miss the dance.